Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Sedona local and long-distance movers near me. Are you planning to move to a new location? With the assistance of the best relocation company in town, you are sure to get maximum satisfaction and excellent relocation bonuses. Our area will not only assist you in making your relocation more straightforward, but they will also ensure that they adhere to the timetable you have set for them. 3 Movers is the finest firm in Sedona. We will always be ready to help you whenever you need to relocate. Our rates are exceptionally reasonable. Our customers find our relocation strategy to be straightforward and pleasant. Moving may be a complicated process if you do not have a well-thought-out strategy. We, on the other hand, have you covered. We will assist you in developing a comprehensive plan and guarantee that we'll strictly adhere to it. We are prompt and courteous to our customers. You have to tell us what you need, and we will supply it for you. We work hard to guarantee that our long-distance moves go smoothly. We not only make sure that no harm occurs, but we also ensure that you get to your destination on time. A long-distance relocation may take you outside of your state or inside it, depending on your goal, and it is a trip of more than 50 miles. We are capable of long-distance journeys. Our resources can withstand the pressures of traveling a far distance. We also have excellent relationships with federal and state agencies, which makes long-distance relocation easier. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Sedona moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.